Hi, explorers. Flowers are nature's poetry in bloom, but some blossoms are so rare, so precious, and so mysterious that they have become legends of botany. Today we explore 10 of the world's most expensive and extraordinary flowers, each carrying science, secrets, and a story worth telling. Some flowers can't just be picked, they must be earned, discovered, or even fought for. Their value isn't only in money, but in the mystery, rarity, and stories they carry. The world's most expensive flowers remind us that beauty becomes priceless when it cannot be easily owned. Why would a flower that no one can buy be called priceless? Stay connected till the end of this video because the answer will surprise you. Welcome to Botanic Explorer, a journey into the hidden stories of plants, trees, and flowers. Every leaf carries a secret, every root whispers history, and every bloom tells us something about life itself. Here, we don't just explore nature. We discover wisdom, beauty, and mysteries that connect us all to this green universe. Number 10. Juliet Rose, or Rosa Asleep. Nicknamed the 3 million pounds rose, it is the most expensive rose ever bred. Created by breeder David Austin, it took 15 years of research Guinness records. It is the most valuable rose cultivar. Its peach apricot petals unfold like silk. Studies in Kew Gardens highlight its genetic uniqueness. It symbolizes love, rarity, and timeless beauty. Botanists admire its disease resistance. Rare to find in the open market, its secret lies in its perfect fragrance balance. A flower that proves patience creates perfection. Number 9. Shenzhen, Nongke Orchid. Man-made in a Chinese laboratory, developed over 8 years of research, Guinness marks it as one of the most expensive flowers ever auctioned, sold for $200,000. Scientists studied hybridization to create it. Its bloom cycle is once every 4 to 5 years. A symbol of patience, science, and beauty. Researched in Shenzhen University labs, represents human ability to mimic nature. Botanists see it as proof of genetic advancement. The mystery, its genetic composition is closely guarded, a flower born of science, yet as enchanting as nature's own. Number 8. Gold of Kinabalu Orchid, or Paphiapetalum rothschildianum, found only in Kinabalu National Park, Borneo. Guinness lists it among the rarest orchids, takes up to 15 years to bloom. Petals spread like wings of a butterfly. Malaysian botanists protect it as a national treasure. Each plant can sell for tens of thousands of dollars. Illegal poaching has made it even rarer. Known as the Rothschild slipper orchid, its secret lies in its highly selective pollination, a true jewel of the orchid world. Number 7. Saffron crocus, or Crocus sativus, known as the flower that produces saffron, the most expensive spice. Each bloom gives only 3 red stigmas handpicked with care. Guinness lists saffron as the world's costliest spice. Requires over 75,000 flowers for 1 pound of saffron grown in Kashmir, Iran, and Spain. Botanical institutes study its antioxidant and medicinal properties. Ancient Ayurvedic texts mention it as divine. Research confirms it helps in mood enhancement. Its mystery, origin still debated, Greece or Asia, a flower that turns gold not by color but by value. Number 6. 17th century tulip bulb, or Tulipa species. The flower behind tulip mania, the world's first economic bubble. Guinness notes tulips as symbols of wealth in 1600s, Holland. A single bulb once sold for the price of a house. Botanical gardens in Amsterdam preserve heritage varieties. Petals display stunning color variations. Economists study it as a lesson in speculation. Tulips inspired art, trade, and culture, still central to Dutch economy. Their secret? A virus once caused their flame-like petals. A flower that changed both botany and economy. Every click you make shapes your journey. By subscribing, you're not just supporting a channel, you're joining a space where curiosity meets knowledge. Hit subscribe and let's grow together. Number 5. Lisianthus, or Eustoma grandiflorum, known as the blue rose of the desert. Blooms in purple, pink, and white shades. Difficult to cultivate, making it expensive. Popular in floral science research for its longevity, florists prize it for elegance in bouquets. Found in warm regions of the Americas. Scientists study its unique petal formation, symbolizes gratitude and appreciation. Its secret, sensitive roots make it hard to transport. A flower loved for beauty but feared for fragility. Number 4. Lily of the Valley, or Convallaria majalis, delicate bell-shaped flowers with a heavenly fragrance. Toxic if consumed, yet medicinal in tiny doses. Guinness notes it as Europe's most celebrated spring flower. Used in royal weddings, including Kate Middleton's, Botany research shows it helps regulate heart rhythm, symbol of purity and rebirth. Folklore says its fragrance calls fairies. Very difficult to grow outside native habitat. Its secret, the balance of poison and medicine, a flower that charms and warns at the same time. Number 3. Hydrangea or Hydrangea macrophylla. Famous for changing colors depending on soil pH. Blue in acidic soil, pink in alkaline. Guinness highlights it as the most chemically responsive flower. Japanese botanists studied its adaptability. Blooms in large clusters like clouds, symbol of heartfelt emotions. Fun fact, its name means water jar. Can absorb huge amounts of water. Its secret, a built-in pH indicator within its pigments, a natural wonder of chemistry and beauty. Number 2, Gloriosa lily or Gloriosa superba, also called the fire lily, native to Africa and Asia. Petals curl back like flames. Highly poisonous, yet used in medicine. Guinness notes it as one of the deadliest ornamental plants, symbol of national pride in Zimbabwe. Indian botanists study it for cancer research. Rarity makes it expensive in markets, associated with myths of immortality. Its secret lies in colchicine, a powerful alkaloid, a flower of danger, beauty, and healing. Number 1. Kadupul flower or Epiphyllum oxypetalum, known as the Queen of the Night. This flower blooms only once a year and only at midnight. It wilts before dawn, making it priceless because it can't be sold. Modern research in botany shows that its fragrance compounds have calming effects. Japanese and Indian scientists study its potential in aromatherapy. Guinness notes it as one of the most fleeting flowers on Earth. Local myths in Sri Lanka say it brings good fortune to those who see it bloom. Its white petals glow under moonlight like silk. Botanists call it a biological clock masterpiece. The mystery, no one has yet found a way to preserve its bloom. Truly, it is a flower you can only experience, never own. Answer: because the Kadupul blooms only at midnight and dies before dawn. You can't pluck it, can't sell it, can't even capture its glow under the moonlight. Sri Lankan legends say whoever sees it bloom receives good fortune. Science says its fragrance calms the mind. But the truth? It teaches us that some things in life are meant only to be experienced, never owned. These flowers are not just about beauty or wealth. They are about patience, science, culture, and mystery. Each bloom carries the story of nature's genius and humanity's endless curiosity. Just like these rare flowers, every life is unique, fleeting, and precious. So the next time you see a flower, remember, you are not just looking at petals, you are witnessing a miracle of time, science, and creation. If you loved this journey through the world's rarest blooms, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more botanical wonders. Hi explorers! Flowers are nature's poetry in bloom, but some blossoms are so rare, so mysterious, they have become legends of botany. Some flowers can't just be picked, they must be earned, discovered, or even fought for. Number 10, the Juliet Rose, nicknamed the 3 million pound rose, the most expensive rose ever bred after years of careful research. Number 9, the Shenzhen Nongke orchid, developed over 8 years in a lab and auctioned as one of the most expensive flowers. Number 8, the Gold of Kinabalu, Rothschild slipper orchid, found only in Kinabalu National Park and prized for its rarity. Number 7, the Saffron Crocus, whose 3 delicate red stigmas produce the world's most costly spice. Number 6, the tulip bulb at the heart of tulip mania, once worth the price of a house in 17th century Holland. Some things in life are meant only to be experienced, never owned. These flowers are not just about beauty or wealth, They are stories of patience, science, culture, and mystery. Remember, every bloom is a miracle of time, nature, and creation. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Botanic Explorer.